Welcome grade 7. We are starting chapter number 2, more on Windows 10, lesson number 1. The learning objectives for today's lesson are to describe Windows 10 and to explain the new features of Windows 10. Keywords: operating system. It is a computer program which runs our computer. Software, a computer program, for example Microsoft Word. Interface. Interface is a software and it acts as a bridge between user and computer. GUI stands for graphical user interface. We will learn this later on during the lesson. User, a person who uses the computer system. Version, a way to categorize the unique state of a computer software. Browser, a software that allows a computer user to find and view information on the internet. Number 3, virtual desktop. Lets you create multiple desktops, each displaying different apps or applications or programs. Notification. A notification is a message displayed by an operating system or program. Here is the warm-up task. So just pause the video and answer the given question. The first question is, which operating system is installed in your PC? So in terms of my PC, it is Windows 10. Name 2 mostly used operating systems. So discuss with your classmates and name them. The correct answers are Windows and Mac operating systems. Now Windows 10 is an operating system and it's a software that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. So there are some words you have to keep in mind. First one is the software. A software is a computer program and it's a part of computer. And remember students, the operating system runs our computer. Second word is the interface. Now interface is a device or a program which enables the user to communicate with a computer. In our case, the operating system is an interface. Without the operating system, you cannot communicate with the computer. The next one is the user. A user is a person who uses a device. For example, a person who uses the computer system is called a user. Hardware. A hardware is the physical part of a computer, which includes the CPU, the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse. Let's start with a small question. Do you know what is GUI? GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. In GUI, the user of the computer interacts with computer using icons and images. So it's very easy to use. Any user can use a computer system because it has a graphical user interface. Now, Windows 95 is the first operating system from the Windows which used GUI interface. What is Windows 10? So Windows 10 is the most recent version of the Microsoft Windows operating system, and it is used in personal computers as well as tablets. Here there is a word operating system. So operating system is a computer program which runs our computer. For example, we have Windows as an operating system and Mac OS as an operating system. Windows is used in PCs, desktops, and most of the laptops, and Mac OS is used in Apple products. The start menu is located in the same place, left corner of the screen, but the icon has changed. Clicking the start menu icon will display the new menu where you can access your apps, live titles, settings, user accounts, etc. Windows 10 has reintroduced a more traditional start menu since it was removed from Windows 8. Microsoft Edge. This is the new browser which is designed to give a Windows user a better experience on the web. It's faster, more secure, and contains more new features. It's replaced by the previously used Internet browser, which was called Internet Explorer. Cortana. Cortana is a search bar and it enables you to search anything inside the system or on the web using voice commands. So Cortana works like a virtual assistant. It can perform simple tasks like remind you to take out the trash and much more. Now here is the thinking time. You have to answer the question, what is meant by virtual assistant? So it is an application program that understands the natural language voice commands and completes tasks for the user. The next feature is the multiple desktop and task view. Now instead of keeping everything open on the same desktop, you can move some of your windows to a virtual desktop to get them out of the way. The task view button will list all the current windows you are using on the desktop on the top side, and you can select any one to open it quickly. The Action Center. Now this feature allows you to access the frequently used settings such as the Wi-Fi connectivity and the tablet mode, and you will see all the important notifications coming out from your systems in Action Center, and you will also receive a notification about your system in Action Center. It is present on the right corner of your desktop. Tablet mode. It is a very beneficial and very important feature, an advanced feature of Windows 10. Now from the Action Center you can go to the tablet mode, in which you can use your PC as a tablet. Now if your computer has a touch screen, so you can simply go to the tablet mode and you can access all the apps through the tablet mode. The tablet users can also switch back to desktop mode if they prefer. So it is very useful, and that is why we say that Windows 10 is more interactive operating system. So that's all for the lesson. The plenary is that we learned what is Windows 10 and what is operating system, and we also discussed some of the new features of Windows 10. The words which we have learned is the version, the browser, the virtual desktop, and the touch screen. Thank you so much for your time. Have a very good day.